This is something which takes us away from our daily life, helps us rest, rejuvenate, do things which we don't usually do.
I like the adventures that I find here. We get to get closer to the nature.
The feeling comes across, yes, we can leave everything behind. You're totally free, you feel complete with your family.
It's just the perfect vacation where you just relax and be happy.
Whenever you plan to do an holiday, there's something else that comes in and then you postpone that. It's like going for a movie or it's like going to church. It has to be done.
Just the fact that it's a Mahindra company, that makes a huge difference, and you see it in every aspect. I am associated with quality, real luxury.
The rooms are really beautiful from inside, beautiful from outside.
The standard that they keep up in all the resorts across India is something amazing.
They try to maintain the local environment and the local culture.
Food is excellent, the buffet spread is wonderful, there's so much variety.
You go to a particular resort, the local cuisine is always there. That's something which is wonderful.
The staff is very hospitable.
There are always smiles on their faces when they see us. It's nothing unnatural.
They make you feel very, very important. They make you feel as if the whole resort belongs to you.
We have never heard a Club Mahindra staff member saying, no, we can't do it.
It is a lot of fun, like planning another vacation. I'm always with the calendar and with the map of India. Come on, tell me, where do you want to go?
All the resorts have something very unique and something very, very beautiful about the view and the way it's done up.
I believe it's approximately like 40 odd resorts with Club Mahindra.
We went to the Coorg Resort, Yercaud.
There's another one in Mahabaleshwar.
Jim Corbett.
Ooty has been a dream vacation for me since my childhood.
Kumbhalgarh is always on the list.
I've been to Munnar. It's like paradise on earth.
The most beautiful time that we have spent ever.
In Hindi, you say उसमें 4 चांद लगा दिए,
Waka Beach Resort is amazing. Like, I saw it, I was like, wow.
They've got spa, they've got activity center, and then their private beach for our complete family entertainment.
Binsar.
You wake up in the morning and see those mountains covered with mist.
For the first time in my life, I saw Himalayas.
I mean, that makes you feel complete in that place.
As long as the property is this good, anywhere is all right with me.
There are lots of places which in India we have not seen, we have not even heard of. No limit to my wishes.
I think we can cover almost all parts of India by having this membership.
Looking forward for more unique experiences. If you look at the type of guests who come and stay at Club Mahindra, you always see families.
2-3 generations coming together.
The people who are here give importance to holiday.
Club Mahindra really allows you to have that kind of a holiday.
They have given homely atmosphere.
It's very important to spend time with children. Holidays like this are really giving them also a different bonding together.
This is the time to give them their space and freedom.
I like to just run out and check out the resort, just see everything that is there. It's like, oh, I want to do that, I want to do that, I want to do that.
They are not ready to leave that kid zone. We were at there till 11 o'clock in the night also.
You can just bring that child inside from you and you can do whatever.
Doing something which we always wanted to do, the experience of doing it right here and enjoying it, that's what I would call unique.
My dad was really excited to go jet skiing. It's gutsy of my mom. I didn't think she'd do that. It was nice to see them all excited.
That was the first time ever I had seen my mom play any sport. They give up so much of themselves for us. We never get to see them have fun. A place like this lets us do that.
Our daughter is learning so much through this experience.
it gives you really that proud feeling.
These small things is what really stays in their memory. The resort gives us all those options.
This is all possible only here.
I guess we're like now spoilt with the kind of luxury that Club Mahindra provides us.
I know there are other timeshare resorts, but not to the standard that Club Mahindra maintains.
The privileges that you get out of it is much more than what you pay for it.
Club Mahindra is offering membership with RCI as well. RCI have a very huge number of resorts all across the globe.
We do have an opportunity to see the world.
Having a membership like this at a very good affordable price really motivates you to travel now. Something to plan for, something to build excitement in your life, and then looking forward to the next one.
I have another 15 years of active life, no doubt. It's not an investment which will be limited to my lifetime or anything like that. It gets passed on to the next generation.
It's a luxury which is more affordable, I would say now.
You are literally getting an inflation-free holiday over 25 to 30 years. So that's not something which you would get with any other place.
It is not only fun, it is not only just being together, it's also beyond that. This gives us power, energy. We put up a lot of pictures on Facebook. Our friends are always commenting like, wow, your family had a lot of fun.
Life is all about experiencing it. You have to start traveling for that.
It's really Club Mahindra which has made it, I'm not just saying it, I really mean it, which has really made it possible because it's just so much more easier to plan a holiday together now.
It makes it exciting for any age group and very memorable. Just the fact that my daughter just remembers and cherishes every single holiday that we've had in Club Mahindra, and we want to give her more of that experience.
I have no words to explain those feelings. That it's that good.
Club Mahindra is like the best thing that ever happened.
Every vacation spent, I see it as increasing your span of life.
It's actually turned out very spectacular. I did not expect it to be so good.
Time that I've spent on holidays over here is like a bright flash of color that you have.
I wish life could go on like this.
So these are some lovely memories, all you can carry with you. It's that close to our heart.
When I see the joy on the faces of my children, the excitement, that gives me, yes, maybe I've done something really nice.